Hello everyone, today the topic is scale and related some numerical. I wish you are enjoying watching my video. Kindly do share to those who are preparing for DCS, CPL and ATPL exam. To calculate the distance between 2 points on map or chart, we need a scale. This is aeronautical chart and we need a scale to find a distance between 2 points. Because Earth is too big, that's why for calculation we need projected Earth on a plain paper called map or chart. So the definition of a scale is the ratio of chart length and corresponding Earth distance is called a scale. A scale equals chart distance divided by Earth distance, and both unit must be same. If chart distance is in centimeter, then the Earth distance must be in centimeter too. For example, if chart length is 10 centimeter represent 1 million centimeter on Earth distance, what is a scale? The formula is a scale equals chart length divided by Earth distance. Putting the value, a scale is 1:100,000. This is the scale for the chart. Every chart have a different scale value. Representative fraction, or in short term you can say RF. It is the ratio between unit length of chart and corresponding number of similar unit on the Earth. Example, if RF equals 1 divided by 100,000, it means 1 unit length on chart corresponding 100,000 same unit length on the Earth. For example, 1 inch represent 100,000 inch on the Earth. 1 centimeter represent 100,000 centimeter on the Earth. Representative fraction is written as 1 divided by 100,000 or 1:100,000. You can see on representative fraction on aeronautical chart. It is given the scale value. A statement in word. It gives the corresponding value of two different units for the chart and other for Earth. For example, 1/4 inches on chart length represent 1 nautical mile on Earth. Similar, 1/2 inches on chart equals 1 nautical mile on Earth, or 1 inch on chart represent 10 km on the Earth. Here in the map, a scale value is 1 inch equals 1 miles. 1 inch's value of geographic scale represent 1 mile on the Earth. Graduated scale line. Graduated straight line gives the actual length of chart corresponding to the various distance on Earth. This is graduated scale. You can directly put on the chart to measure the Earth distance. In this case, a scale factor are given. Example, 1 inch on a chart equals 15 nautical mile on Earth. Example, a chart has a scale of 1:250,000. How many nautical mile are represented by 4 centimeter on a chart? So, we know that a scale equals chart length divided by Earth distance. And a scale is given. A scale is 1:250,000. So, we put the value of a scale equals chart length are given, that is 4 centimeter. Earth distance we have to find. So rearrange this formula. We can get Earth distance. Now the Earth distance is in centimeter, but we need in nautical mile. So what we can do, divided by 0.54 to convert in inches, then divided by 12 convert in feet, then lastly divided by 6080 feet to convert in nautical mile. So the answer is 53.96. Or what we can do, you can use the calculator to convert centimeter to nautical mile, or you can watch my previous video conversion table. Second example, 32 centimeter on a chart represent 468 nautical mile. The scale of the chart is, we have to find a scale. So again the formula, scale equal chart length divided by earth distance. Putting the value, a scale is 1 divided by 2710282. It is very simple. Just putting the value on the formula, I will get the answer. Next example, there is a 2 scale given on the question and asking which scale is larger. So for the answer, B scale has the smaller denominator, so it has a large scale. So how we can know that how come the smaller denominator have a larger scale? So we'll take one example. Suppose there is a 2 scale. The first is 1 by 2 and second is 1 by 4. If we divide and the smaller denominator is 1 by 2, that is 2. So the 1 by 2, the first scale have a larger scale according to the sentence. So we divided, it gave a 0.5 and 0.25. Which one is larger? Of course 0.5. So if the scale is larger where the denominator is smaller. Note, section chart such as ICAO in aeronautical chart scale is 500,000. World aeronautical chart such as operational navigational chart series, that is called ONC, scale is 1 million. The ICAO and ONC series chart are based on Lambert conformal conic projection. Topographical air chart is based on transverse Mercator projection. We'll see in detail on the projection chapter, upcoming chapter. So thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. God bless you.